What's up, everyone? Welcome back to RoboRise. While everyone is talking about ChatGPT and the usual AI suspects, there's a whole underground economy of people quietly making thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per month using AI tools that barely anyone talks about. I'm not talking about generic advice or theory here. I'm talking about real tools, real strategies, and real money being made right now in 2026. In today's video, I'm pulling back the curtain on the AI tools that are actually generating serious income for everyday people. And the best part? Most of these require little to no technical skills. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap of tools you can start using today. Let's dive in. Automation AI. First up, Automation AI. And this is where the real magic happens. Here's the thing. Most people think automation is complicated. They think you need to be a programmer or understand complex workflows. But in 2026, that's completely false. Tools like Make.com, formerly known as Integromat, and Zapier with AI integrations are letting regular people automate entire business processes without writing a single line of code. But here's what nobody's talking about. There are people charging anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per automation setup for businesses. Think about it. A local dentist office, a real estate agency, an e-commerce store. They all need automation. Automated email responses, automated customer follow-ups, automated data entry, automated social media posting. One tool that's absolutely crushing it right now is Relevance AI. This platform lets you build AI agents that can complete entire workflows. We're talking about AI agents that can research leads, send personalized outreach emails, qualify prospects, and even book meetings on your calendar. Another hidden gem is Bardeen AI. It's a browser automation tool powered by AI. You can literally tell it in plain English what you want, automate it on the web, and it does it. Scraping data from websites, auto-filling forms, extracting information from LinkedIn, the use cases are endless. People are literally building automation agencies with these tools and charging monthly retainers. Some are making $10,000 to $20,000 per month, just setting up and maintaining these automations for 5 to 10 clients. The barrier to entry is incredibly low, but the value you provide is massive. AI content creation. Now let's talk about AI content creation, and I'm not just talking about writing blog posts. In 2026, content creation has completely evolved. We're seeing tools that can generate entire content strategies, write SEO-optimized articles, create social media posts, and even generate content calendars. But here's where people are actually making money. Number 1, SEO content sites. Tools like Surfer SEO combined with AI writers like Jasper or Copy.ai are allowing people to pump out high-quality, search-optimized content at scale. People are building niche websites, ranking them on Google, and selling them for 30 to 50 times monthly revenue. I know someone personally who built a pet care website in 4 months using AI, got it to $2,000 per month in ad revenue, and sold it for $90,000. All the content was AI generated and human edited. Number 2, ghostwriting services. Platforms like Koala AI and Writesonic are so good now that freelancers are taking on multiple ghostwriting clients simultaneously. You can charge $500 to $2,000 per article for thought leadership pieces on LinkedIn or Medium, and the AI does 80% of the heavy lifting. Number 3, newsletter businesses. Tools like Beehiiv combined with AI. Research assistants are letting people launch profitable newsletters in any niche. The AI handles research, writing, and even personalization. Some newsletter creators are making $5,000 to $15,000 per month from sponsorships and premium subscriptions. Here's a tool most people sleep on. Byword AI. It generates SEO articles in bulk. You can literally generate hundreds of articles in one go, and the quality is scary good. The content game has changed. It's not about who can write the best anymore. It's about who can strategize the best and use AI as their amplifier. AI voice tools. All right, let's talk about AI voice tools, which, by the way, is how this entire video is being narrated right now. The voice AI market is exploding, and there are multiple ways people are cashing in. First, let's talk about ElevenLabs. This is the gold standard for AI voice generation. The voices sound incredibly human, and you can clone your own voice or create entirely new ones. Here's how people are making money. Audiobook narration. Authors and publishers are paying anywhere from $100 to $500 per finished hour of audiobook narration. With ElevenLabs, you can produce that same hour in a fraction of the time. Voiceover services for YouTube creators, course creators, and businesses. A 10-minute voiceover that used to cost $200 to $300 from a human can now be done in 20 minutes for a fraction of the cost. And you can charge $50 to $100 for it. Scale that across multiple clients, and you're looking at serious money. Another tool crushing it is PlayHT, similar to ElevenLabs but with different voice options and use cases. Some people are using this for podcast production, creating entire podcast episodes with AI-generated voices. And here's a wild one. Resemble AI lets you create ultra-realistic voice clones. Companies are using this for customer service, personalized marketing messages, and even virtual assistants. Consultants are charging $2,000 to $10,000 to set up these voice systems for businesses. The voice AI space is still early enough that if you position yourself as an expert now, you can dominate a niche before it gets saturated. AI video tools. Now we're getting into my favorite category, AI video tools. Video content is king right now, and AI is making it possible for anyone to create professional-looking videos without ever showing their face or picking up a camera. Let's start with the obvious one that's making people the most money right now, Runway ML. This tool lets you generate videos from text, extend videos, remove backgrounds, and do crazy video editing that would normally take hours in Adobe Premiere. But here's the money move, faceless YouTube channels. People are using Runway combined with tools like InVideo AI and Pictory to create entire YouTube channels without ever appearing on camera. They're using AI-generated scripts, AI voiceovers, and AI video generation. Channels in niches like history facts, scary stories, luxury lifestyle, and motivational content are pulling in $5,000 to $30,000 per month in ad revenue alone. Another tool that's criminally underrated is Synthesia. This lets you create AI avatar videos. You type in a script, choose an avatar, and it generates a video of that avatar speaking your script in over 120 languages. Businesses pay big money for training videos, explainer videos, and internal communication videos. People are charging $500 to $2,000 per video for this service. HeyGen is another AI avatar tool that's gaining traction. The avatars are incredibly lifelike, and you can even create a digital twin of yourself. But here's where it gets really interesting. Descript with AI editing. This tool transcribes your video and lets you edit the video by editing the text. It can also remove filler words automatically and even generate AI voices to replace sections of audio. Video editors are using this to 5x their productivity, taking on more clients and increasing their income dramatically. And lastly, OpusClip. This AI tool takes long-form videos and automatically cuts them into viral short form. Clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Content creators and agencies are charging $200 to $500 per month to manage this for clients. The video space is massive, and these tools are leveling the playing field. AI design tools. Let's move to AI design tools. And this category is absolutely printing money for people who know how to leverage it. First, Canva with their AI features. But more importantly, tools like MidJourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI are letting people generate stunning visuals in seconds. Here's how people are monetizing this. Print-on-demand businesses. Generate unique designs with AI. Throw them on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and sell them on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. Some sellers are making $3,000 to $10,000 per month with zero inventory. Stock image generation. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock now accept AI-generated images. People are generating hundreds of images, uploading them, and earning passive income every time someone downloads their image. Custom art commissions, offering personalized AI art on Fiverr or Upwork. You can charge $50 to $500 per commission, depending on complexity and usage rights. But here's a tool most people don't know about, Koala AI. It generates color palettes for brands. Designers are using this to speed up their workflow and take on more clients. Another one is Uizard. This tool converts hand-drawn sketches into digital UI designs. UI and UX designers are cutting their design time in half. And let's not forget Figma with AI plugins. There are plugins like Musho AI and Genius AI that generate entire website layouts based on simple prompts. Freelance designers using these tools are charging the same rates as before but completing projects in a fraction of the time. That's more projects, more income, same amount of work hours. The design world is being transformed, and early adopters are winning big. AI for online businesses. Now let's talk about AI for online businesses. This is where everything comes together. AI is not just a tool anymore. It's becoming the backbone of entire business models. First, AI-powered e-commerce. Tools like Shopify Magic and Octane AI are letting store owners automate product descriptions, create personalized shopping experiences, and even predict customer behavior. Dropshippers are using AI to find winning products, generated copy, and optimize their stores, all while spending less time managing everything. Next, AI customer support. Tools like Intercom with AI, TDO, and Ada are providing 24/7 customer service for businesses. Entrepreneurs are launching agencies that set up and manage these AI chatbots for e-commerce stores, SaaS companies, and service businesses, charging $1,000 to $5,000 for setup and $500 to $2,000 per month for management. AI email marketing. Platforms like Instantly AI and SmartLead are revolutionizing cold email outreach. People are launching lead generation agencies, charging businesses per qualified lead or per meeting booked. Some are making $10,000 to $50,000 per month, with a lean team or even solo. Another big one is AI-powered course creation. Tools like Course AI and CourseBox let you generate entire online courses from just a topic. People are creating and selling courses on Udemy, Teachable, or their own platforms, generating passive income streams. And here's one that's flying under the radar. AI market research tools like Crayon and Clue. These tools monitor competitors and industry trends using AI. Consultants are using these to offer market intelligence services to businesses, charging retainers of $2,000 to $10,000 per month. The online business landscape is being reshaped by AI, and those who adapt quickly are building incredible income streams. AI trading and finance tools. Quick bonus before we wrap up. AI trading and finance tools. Now, I'm not saying to bet your life savings on AI trading bots, but there are legitimate tools helping people make smarter financial decisions. Tools like Trade, Ideas and TrendSpider use AI to analyze stock market patterns and identify potential trades. Day traders and swing traders are using these to improve their win rates. Crypto trading bots like 3 and Crypto Hopper are allowing people to automate their crypto trading strategies. Some users report consistent monthly returns, though of course all trading carries risk. On the personal finance side, AI budgeting tools like Clio and Monarch are helping people optimize their spending and investments using AI insights. And for businesses, AI accounting tools like Book AI and Dokit are automating bookkeeping and financial reporting. Accountants and bookkeepers are using these to serve more clients with less manual work. The finance space is ripe for AI disruption, and early movers are positioning themselves as experts. Conclusion. So there you have it. These are the AI tools that are quietly making people rich in 2026. Automation AI, content creation tools, voice AI, video generation, design tools, and AI for online businesses. Each category has multiple income opportunities. And the best part is you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. The key is to pick 1 or 2 areas. Dive deep, learn the tools inside and out, and start offering services or building products around them. The AI gold rush is happening right now, and most people are still sleeping on these opportunities. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to RoboRise if you haven't already, and drop a comment letting me know which AI tool you're most excited to try. I'll be dropping more videos on how to actually implement these tools tools and build real income streams with them. So make sure your notifications are on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is RoboRise signing off.